Hi guys, so let's get into my quick morning routine with only three products that I use on my face. So, welcome. So, guys, what's the first thing you do when you wake up? For me, first thing I do when I wake up is meditate, pray, and then if it's a school day, I get up pretty early before my kids get up so I can start getting their lunch boxes ready before I wake them up to get ready for school. So it's usually a fast-paced morning for me. So I try to get up like 30 minutes earlier than I should so I could have a little time to myself before I start the day. So I always do my morning routine before my kids wake up. So let's get into it. So these are the products I'll be using that I always use for my face in the morning after shower. Don't forget to shower. Yeah. So the first thing I do is I get my cotton buds. They're just plain cotton buds. I get them from Sephora. And I just take a bit of it with my micellar cleansing water. And the first thing I do is to cleanse my face of dirt. Even after you shower, there's still some dirt, debris on your face, particles on your face. So it's very advisable to cleanse your face first thing before any other thing in the morning. So cleaning your face, you'll be surprised at the amount of dirt that comes on the cotton buds after you're done. I'll show you. Look at that. Look at that dirt. Okay, so see why you need to cleanse your face. Micellar water is great for this. And I like to cleanse my face in a circular motion, okay? I don't know why, I just saw it somewhere. So I cleanse my face in a circular motion. Next, I go in with this Sephora Vitamin C plus E Super Glow Serum. I've been using this product for a couple of months now, and I actually feel it's doing a great job of brightening my face because the ingredients are actually from natural sources and it's unscented. Whatever you put on your face, if it's unscented, it's better, okay? So this one is unscented. It's vitamin C plus E Super Glow Serum. And I try to put it on my face right after I cleanse my face. Next, I go in with this Sephora Prebiotic. It's a cream and it hydrates and repairs the face. It's non-scented and it's natural ingredients as well. So it's a nourishing moisturizer and it hydrates and repairs the skin. So I go in with this right after I've used the Vitamin C Super Glow Serum. This just nourishes the face and hydrates and repairs whatever needs to be repaired on the face. And always remember your neck as well, okay? It's also a part of your face. I just make sure everything gets into the skin as much as possible. And I also like to tap my face. I read it somewhere that it helps with the blood flow on the face. So I do that right after putting my moisturizer on. I tap my face for the blood flow. And finally, I go in with castor oil. Guys, this has been breaking the internet on TikTok. Everybody swears by it. And I've been trying it for a couple of weeks and it actually works. I've been putting it under my eyes for a couple of weeks now, and I can tell you there's a significant difference. So you use it as under eye moisturizer to remove dark eye circles or lines under the eyes. And guys, it actually works. Some people actually use it for hair as well and for a lot of other stuff. But I just basically for now use it for my under eyes, and it's been phenomenal. It works. You should try it too. And it's quite thick, okay? So just a little bit will go a long way, and just moisturize it into the skin, okay? Let me know if you've ever tried castor oil on your face and did it work for you? And finally, I do the tongue massage. I saw it on a Chinese channel. So what you do is use your tongue to push out your skin from under. Just in case you have smile lines or any kind of wrinkles on your face, doing this tongue massage helps straighten out the skin on the face, and it works. Okay, so let me know if you'll try this as well. And that's it for my morning skin routine. Let me know what you think.